Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create company code in SAP system. We will practically do step by step how to create company code in SAP system. So before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about following topics. What is company code? How to create company code in SAP? Company code creation path in SPRO customizing and T-code for company code creation. So let's first understand what is company code. Here, company code is an organizational unit which has its own independent financial accounting. Here, financial accounting means each company code has its separate profit and loss statement and balance sheets. So to understand this, as in a large corporate group, there are multiple businesses. So to track profit and loss of each business, there are separate company code assigned to each businesses. Okay. Second point, there should be at least one company code to implement FI module in SAP system. And third point, company code is a 4-digit alphanumeric key. Okay. So path for company code creation. So below is the path for company code creation. You can see SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay. And T code for company code creation is OX02. So now let's do practical in our system. So coming to our system, enter SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting. Now click on edit, copy, delete, check company code and click on execute. Here double click on copy, delete, check company code. Now here small icon you can see copy org object. Click on that. Here now at the bottom you can see some data is getting copied. So here basically what is happening, the tables are getting copied, so it will take a while to copy the data from existing tables. Okay, so now we are going to give from which company code we have to copy the data. So click on the small icon or you can click on F4. Now here we can see list of existing company codes. So we will take 0001 as our reference company code and we will create A006 as our new company code. Okay, now click on OK. So now it is saying only copy GL account if you want to allocate the same chart of accounts to the target company code. So yes, we want same GL account, click on yes. So now it is asking the reference company code has local currency EUR, euros. If you allocate different local currency, the target company code, GL account with currency are also changed. Okay, so if you want to allocate different currency, you can click on yes, otherwise you can click on no. Now here we will click on yes as our currency is INR, Indian rupees. So click on OK, continue. It is giving warning message, no worries. Again click on OK. Click on OK, it is giving warning message. Some of the data is not getting copied as we have selected different currency. So now it is copying tables from the existing 0001 company code to our new company code. So it will take some time to copy the tables, as most of the tables are being copied. Okay, it is getting finished, almost finished. 70-80% is done. Okay, now it is showing some other tables are getting copied now. It will not take much time. Okay, so now it is asking to which tier we have to save this copied tables. We will take this same tier and we will copy in the existing tier only. So now data will be get copied to this tier. Okay, here you can see tables are getting copied to the tier. Okay, now it is giving warning message. Some number range objects are conflicting. Click OK. Again, some GL account number ranges. Click OK. Again OK. Okay, now it is saying company code 0001 copied to A006. Okay, that's our company code and it is getting created successfully. In completed activities, we can see that company code 0001 is copied to our company code A006. Okay, so now we will go to edit company code data. As existing data will be get copied, the name and address also will be the same. So put our company code A006, select that and click on details. So now we'll change the address of this data, address of the company code. Okay, you can put ARP Shah 2 as our company code name. City we can select Mumbai, country we can select India, currency is INR, and language is English. Okay, it is all okay. Now click on address. Now we will change the name. City you can put in search term 2. Now here we will select the street, house number, the address, postal code, city, country India, time zone India is. We will click on save. It will again ask the tier and click on OK. The data will be saved successfully. Okay, now we will go to the table to check whether our company code has been created in the table entries or not. Go to SA16N, click on enter T001 company code table. Now enter our company code A006 and click on execute F8. Here you can see that our table in our company code has been created successfully in the table. Okay, here Vishal to Mumbai city, it is coming successfully, and the address details which we entered is being saved to this number. So if we select this number and see the address details, go to SA16N again, go to the ADRC table and paste those. It is not being copied, I think. $63,825. This is the number, address number. Click on execute F8. So it will show the address details like cities correctly, Mumbai postal code. Like this data will be coming in this address number details. So now you have understand how to create company code and how to see that created company code in tables. So let's do quick recap. So first, company code is a organization unit which has its own independent financial accounting. Okay, T code for company code creation is OX02. Table for company code is T001, and for address table is ADRC. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video.